Welcome back to the channel. It's absolutely boiling.
Take your fucking chavvy coat off.
Nah. I like it.
To be honest, I am more.
So World Superbike, we'll start off with. Johnny Ray wins the World Championship. Bautista fumbles. It's not a bad championship, that World Superbikes. They have some dodgy races like Argentina. That is, you didn't see the track. Fucking hell! Right, it was a mud bath.
Should they have gone on the CRF?
Yeah, like no joke. Friday practice. How people stayed on the bikes, no one knows. By Saturday afternoon, they had a really thin racing line because they don't have sweepers at this track, and they won't go to the MotoGP version. So it's catch-22 for the riders. So like half at riders didn't do the first race because it was unsafe. Well, strong problem. Then we go over to MotoGP, where Marquez has dominated again for the 8th World Championship.
Yeah, because he'll say something about the 8 ball.
Yeah. He is one behind Rossi now.
I reckon he'll do 10-11 before long. People are going to try and snap the ball.
He's gonna do the most. Everybody knows that one. If Quartararo doesn't get a factory team, Quartararo, don't get me wrong, he's doing well, but he won't keep up, because don't forget they're changing the engine this year. They've got the new engine going in. New what?
No, not Yamaha, Honda. They're getting rid of that engine because it's the Fireblade's technically that
That's
engine.
not a Fireblade though.
No, it's not. But they use the same sort of stuff off the Fireblade.
It's a completely different engine to what the Fireblade was and what the new one is. It's an inline 4 for the Superbike.
Yeah,
whereas in MotoGP they use the V4s.
Yeah.
It's a keeping that.
That is the only, I think that's one of the only difference. But it's
nobody worked that one out. Why is Honda going from the V4 they're doing in MotoGP, which is dominant, to an inline 4 in both Superbikes and British Superbikes?
Well, they're actually changing it because they're going to a V4 for the Fireblades.
No, not this year.
It might be the year after, because they're getting rid of the Fireblade.
They're getting rid of the Fireblade by
this year.
Yeah, but they can't continue with the inline. It's the only thing they said, it's not to V4.
No, I don't remember them saying that, because I was reading the article on it, and they said that they're changing the end, they're literally just redoing the whole bike.
Well, what I've seen, it says it's ringing, not a V4, so you never know with Honda.
I think they'll go with the V4 because look at every bike. Ducati, Kawasaki, Suzuki, I'm not too sure.
Suzuki's a straight 4, Kawasaki's an inline, Yamaha is an inline, Ducati's 4, V4. It's like that. So it's like a Brewis V4 as well.
They're very powerful, they break down a lot, and they don't seem to be able to not keep up in a straight line, just go around the corner.
Well, right, so we go back to MotoGP. Now, the only person that challenged Marquez halfway through the season was Quartararo, because at the start of the year he was chasing the youngest winner. He got the youngest pole position, he was chasing managed to get it, unfortunately. But the one thing he's got going for it at the minute, he's trying to get that first win on a customer Yamaha. No one's ever done that before. He's missed out 3 times.
Well, Crutchlow done
On a customer. He's got second on a customer.
I'm sure he's got top instead.
On a customer Yamaha, on a customer Honda.
No, not on the Honda, I'm talking. What do you call it? You know when him and Bradley Smith were on the
Tech rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, he never got winning.
I thought he did.
He got the support, you know, like LCR, if he gets forward for something, he can go into Art 30. Yeah, that's basically what they call an independent championship. So he does that.
Yeah, because it's a satellite
Yeah.
team, isn't it? So the best, whoever comes the highest out of the satellites going to Part 30, yeah.
So
Like, I knew that, but I just didn't know.
it's like you look at everything. Look at Rossi. He won a couple of championships on a Honda, went to Yamaha, won a bunch of championships in a row. In case his owner takes one off in 2007. He wins a couple more, Lorenzo.
Why are we doing 50 on a motorway?
It's like, Crossrail was really good, but it is, that Honda, too dominant.
I'm not 100% sure.
I feel like it is just too much, that bike. So if they had what they have in World Superbikes, which isn't new work this year, I have to say.
Well, you have to downgrade your bike.
Yeah, if you're winning too much. Well, Giuliani was winning, you know, for every race at the start of the year.
Yeah.
And it's like, they didn't have to down tune because
Why are you in the fast lane?
Because Kawasaki had more consistency for both riders. They had to cut down their engine.
Probably something what they'll do now, Kawasaki. Wait a
But
minute.
they are trying to change the engine rules in MotoGP for next year. Because all the teams, Yamaha and everything, and we want to develop our engine during the season. We're basically running 1-year-old engines.
Move out of my way! Yeah.
So it's like they want that changing.
Come on, Grandad. Come on, Grandad. Any time today would be really nice.
And you've got Pinky, British Superbikes, which is going on today, the final round, which is championship decider. Now, no offence, but British Superbikes is the only championship mainstream that Giuliani's winning.
Yeah. Realize, isn't
Literally, the 3 people that can win the championship are all on Giuliani's. You've got the Bob B. Weiser Giuliani's, and you've got the Oxford Giuliani. It's like, come on. And that bike, to get the street version of it, is like 30 grand. That is ridiculous. But
it?
quite clever.
Why are you in the fast lane? Like the tall.
So that's our small little clip, but it's probably very, very long that he's cutting down.
Yeah, because I'm swearing a lot.
Oh no, don't about that. So we'll see you all in the next video whilst he shizzes everywhere.